Hello friends, this is from Insight X team. Welcome to the Learn in Excel part 2. Today we'll be discussing the remaining topics in this video. Next we have is insert, delete row and column. So as we know these are our columns and these are our rows. So let's say if I take this data only, if I want to insert a row above this one, so I'll just click on this. I'll go to the insert and you can see I have inserted a row over here. So same way, wherever you want to insert a row, just select the particular row, click right click on that and just click on insert. So you'll be successfully inserting a particular row wherever you want. Same goes with the column as well. Let's say if I want to insert a column after E, I'll just right click on this, I'll click insert and you can see I'm able to insert a column here. Same goes for deleting is also in a very similar fashion. Select the particular column, right click on that, and just press on delete. You can see it's been deleted. So I'll just delete these also to show you how to delete rows. Click on delete. You can see it's back to the normal one. Again delete. So this is the way you can insert and delete rows and columns. Next we have editing, sorting, and filter. So I'll tell you how these functions work. For sorting, you can select the particular data and then you can go to the home tab, come to the right hand side. You will see one option is sort and filter. Click on this button. You will see options are coming. Sort small to largest, sort largest to small. Click on this sort small to largest. When you click this, a warning will come. This warning is basically asking you want to sort the entire related information with the particular cell, or you just want to sort the selected information or the data which you have selected. So if you select the expand the selection, all the relevant relative data will also get sorted as per the selected data set. Now I will be showing you an example how this function works. So I have selected the data. I am on the expand. I select the expand the selection and click on sort. You can see all the data related to the particular rows also got sorted with the information I selected on the first place. So I'll just go back. I'll just undo the thing. You can see 157. All this data will come on first again. You can see all this data is back on the first step. So basically what it does is like when I select this particular information and I will go to the sort and I'll do the expand the selection. So related to 157, 4555, 4712, all these information will get sorted based on the small to largest of these data parameters. So again I'll show you 157. You can see 455 is here. So this got sorted here. So and then again we'll try the other option, the largest. It is like continue with the current selection. What will happen, only these 1 2 3 4 and 5 data will get sorted among this data will not be sorted. So I'll just show you. So this is already as per this, so we'll just change it from largest to smallest. So we'll select the second option. You can see all these information got sorted and these information remain intact. So this is the way you work with the sort and sorting functions. For filter, I'll be taking a data set as a sample one to explain how the filter option works. So this I have a sample data with me. So I'll show you how the filter works. So I'll just go to the top in which I have all the headings of the data. So I'll go to the home tab. I'll go to the sort and filter. I'll select filter over here. So you can see a drop down menu has come in front of all the cells in the heading. So you can see I have drop down in all the cells. What it does is basically it gives you flexibility to filter out the data as per your requirement. So let me give an example. I'll select X showroom price. I'll go to that. I'll deselect all the cells because it is already, as a default, it is selected. So I would just want to see how many particular informations or cards are available. The price of 600. I'll select 600 and I'll click OK. So you can see only one information I have in related to cars whose price, the ex showroom price is 600. So all the informations are gone. So again, you need to just click on this. You just need to select all again, press OK. So all the data will come back. So this is the way you can play around with the filtering option. So again, you can see you can select multiple options also. I have selected three. I click on three. I've got three data only, and all the related information is available. So this helps you in filtering and extracting data in a very concise manner. You don't have to look for your information throughout this given like data set. You can see like it's comparatively very small. If you have a very big like thousands and thousands of data, so this sort of filter options become very handy for you. Okay. So last option we have is paste option. So it's a very simple control function we have, but still certain things which we need to keep in mind. So I'll just show you an example. Uh, these two cells I have only entered the numbers. In this cell you can see I have entered a function, or rather than a formula I have entered. Some formula to add these two numbers. I'll tell you how it works. Let me show you. I'll select this particular cell information and go to copy. So you can see a dotted boxes moving around the cell. So it's showing your data has been copied. You just need to paste it. So you'll go to Home tab. You will click on Paste option. You can see a drop down option is coming. Click on the drop down. There are n numbers of options having. It says a simple paste. You can see by just hovering over it. You can see I have just copied and pasted the data. Next is formula. It says the formatting will not come, but whatever formula you have applied to the particular cell, that will get copied. That will also get copied to the next cell wherever you are pasting the information. And this is formatting and the number formatting. The formatting which we discussed earlier, that formatting also will get copied with this option. And the next is source formatting. You can see in these two options, I didn't have the source formatting, which is the yellow background. In this, keep the source formatting says from wherever you are picking your data or copying your data, at particular cells, formatting will be copied in under this option. And then next we have no border. In this says like, I'll just show you how this works. If I will apply all border to this particular cell, and again I will copy this, and if I'll try and paste this, let's say in this we had border. If I'll click on this, you can see no border is coming. And the other one is like width of column. Let's say in this I have particular information like this. The width of the column is pretty narrow in this. So again, I will copy the data. I will go to the particular cell. I will hover around it. So you can see it's been automatically adjusted with the source information from wherever I am copying the data. It's taking the that formatting only. And the transpose is like it's a different sort of paste option which is not used in a normal course of time. So we have around 4 plus 3, 4 plus 2 very basic and general paste option which we use. So I'll just go with the normal paste option. So you can see in this I have just copied the data and I've pasted here. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos in this.